Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome, and for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below as well as the notification bell beside that. Be sure to click that all on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have for you a Grove collaborative haul. It's a small box, as you can see. I didn't get a whole lot of stuff because I didn't need a whole lot of stuff when I placed my order. And some of you guys, when I placed my last video up, you guys used my code and placed the order. I'll leave it here on the screen in case you like what you see and you're interested in joining Grove. You get a percentage off. Maybe it's free, the free membership. I can't ever remember. I need to look it up because I joined so long ago, so I can't remember what it is when you use my affiliate code. I think either you get free membership or you get $10 off. And I think maybe I get $10 off or something like that. I don't know. But put in the code and see what happens, because you get something off. I just can't remember what. And Grove is, you pay $19.99 a year membership and you get free stuff if you order a particular dollar amount. And every month you can get free stuff. You know, and they give you good stuff that's free. Like some months I may get 4 or 5 different things for free. It just depends on, you know, from month to month and how much you order. And I get a lot of my cleaning supplies from it, especially now because I really can't stand going out. So I've been ordering stuff more online instead of going to the store. You know, like I get this and I also get, you know, Misfits or what have you. But I'm not affiliated with none of them as far as, you know, getting paid. But I do have an affiliate code in case you want to use it and get your discount and order stuff. Just go out there on the site and look and see if you like. Everything is environmentally friendly. So that's what I like about it. It's not harsh on the environment, and that's always a plus. So let's get into this. I'm gonna keep the camera up. I'm just gonna pull out the box. I'm not gonna do it like I do my other Misfits thing, but let's see what I got here. I got another cleaning brush because the one I had, I was cleaning my juicer with it and it just ate up the ends of it. But the other one, I don't think it does. The head don't come off, but these, the head comes off so you can replace it because it has that little button right there. I can't get it off, of course. Oh, it slides. So, which I like because I like these, and it just slides up and down. So I got another one of these, and then I got 2 replacements. Let me see if my other one does that, because I don't think I noticed that. And it don't talk about me, y'all, because they look bad. But see, this is the old one and this is the new one. They still look identical except for they don't have removable heads. And then this is white and this is camel color. So, but see how I ate it up because I was using it to clean, and the blaze that's in my juicer ate it up. So I got those 2 things. I also got the, what is this? Oh, dishwasher gel. I actually forgot I ordered this and I got some from Costco. So now I have this, but what I got from Costco is not good on the environment, and this is. So I still use that up because I don't waste my money. But I have this, the 7th generation. I bought some more of these microfiber all-purpose towels. I love to use these to clean with. I keep saying I'm gonna do a cleaning video, but I don't. When I get ready to start cleaning, I tried. This camera doesn't, I think because it's a close-up lens, I probably need to change my lens if I'm going to do a cleaning video. So maybe I'll try that and put my other camera, because I bought an adapter for this camera that uses my lenses for my other camera that I use upstairs when I'm doing my Designs by Stephanie's channel. So we'll see, because I'm not moving cameras upstairs and downstairs. I also got some rinse aid from 7th generation as well for my dishwasher. I don't use my dishwasher a lot, but here lately I've been using it more and more and more than I've been using it. I probably used it more this year than I have used it in 10 years. I wash dishes by hand, but I've been being lazy. I don't know, it's probably COVID. Stuck in the house all day. Use way more dishes now. So, yeah. And I got 2 of these Bond Ami. I don't know how you pronounce it. But I love Clorox. Well, Ajax. What do they call this stuff? Powder cleanser. I call all of it Ajax. I really do. But I've been using these. I like these. They have no harsh chemicals. They're better on the environment than those. So I just order them. They clean just as good. I use it on my towel in my shower. Love it. And then I got the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day toilet bowl cleaner. And this is in the scent Lemon Verbena. And they said they had different scents for Christmas, but they must be in the store, because I swear in Grove I didn't see any other Christmas scents at all. Not now scent. But I got 2 of those. So I didn't get a whole lot of stuff, as I said. I got just my basic staples that I needed just to get by with for my cleaning, because I need to clean for the end of the year, because I'm one of those old school people that think your house has to be clean at the end of the year, that you can't have anything dirty. I don't have no dirty. I wash all my clothes up at the end of the year. I try to get my house clean and organized going into the new year, because I don't know, my grandma always said if your house ain't clean at the end of the year, then you're gonna have a nasty house for the whole year. So I try to keep my house clean and get myself organized so that my new year will be clean and organized. So that is pretty much everything that I got for my Grove haul. Again, I'll leave my affiliate link here on the screen, a discount code, whatever it is. I can't remember. It's a code or a link. It's one of them. It might be both. I don't know. But I'll leave it on the screen. You can check it out. Go out there and see if it's some stuff you like. They sell cleaning supplies. They sell cups, deodorant. They sell all kinds of stuff if you haven't been out there. And they have Method. They sell a lot of Mrs. Meyer's Method products, 7th generation, stuff like you get at, I used to get it at Target, and then I started ordering it from Grove. But you know, those type of stuff. And maybe, I don't know if they have all the scents that they sell in the store or not, because I don't know all the scents they sell in the store. But it's a good program, and you get free stuff. And if you order a certain dollar amount, like anything else, you get free shipping, which I always try to order enough to get free shipping, because I don't like paying for shipping. And yeah, that is it. So thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday. If this goes up before New Year's, have a happy New Year. Well, even if it don't, you still have a happy New Year. Be safe. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.